in Milford, Massachusetts at the Upper Charles Rail Trail.
Oh, isn't this fun? Woohoo! This is fun, fun, fun. You're gonna take a little extra ride?
Begin. We're beginning.
Oh, there he goes. You said you weren't going to race. He wants to be the head guy. Pavement is nice, I've got to say. I can tell that we just got our bags tuned. They feel really good when they ship.
Beautiful day. It's in the 80s. Late June 2019. Nice breeze.
There is quite a lot of shade, isn't there? Yeah, maybe it hasn't been so thick because of the rain. Or did we not come at this time of the year?
Yeah, there's been a lot of rain, so good for growth.
Yeah. We must be in Milford now, so there are a couple of lakes, a little pond and a lake, so we're going to go for the lake, stop there for a while, but it's probably quite a ways off.
Aha, we're coming up to Route 16. We have to, no, Route 85. We have to cross the road here. Stop and wait for the traffic to stop for us.
Well, this is way different.
That one's waiting for us.
Are they stopping?
Well, that one is, but I don't know about this other one. Yeah, I guess he is. Very good.
Oops. Hello, hello.
where we stopped the first time we came. Stopping for some reason.
We're at the lake. Can't see it now, but it was there. Maybe we'll see some more of the lake up around this corner. That was pretty fast. I didn't know we would be there so fast. Here we go. I wonder what's out there in the lake. Here's some benches. Anybody want to stop? I don't know where Bennett is. On your left. Yo, Dave. Are we going to stop here?
Swan out there.
Is that a swan? No.
There's a swan out there.
People having picnics at the lake.
Right, it's Lake Louisa Lake, whatever it is. There's a little waterfall coming up, a little kind of a dam and waterfall up here. I don't know if you'll see it very well. Maybe the Ryla will pick it up better. Oh yeah, there's the water going over the dam.
So this is the lake, and up here are some steps. It's kind of a little dam, and I think there is water flowing over the little steps. this time. It's a different time of the year for us. Look at that! Wow! Kind of shallow. Creek along there. Seasonal waterfowl hunting. I don't think they're hunting ducks today.
I'm coming up to the place where we saw the red-winged blackbirds one time.
Could be red-winged blackbirds in here, possibly.
Kind of fun going over the bridge though, with the Rilo.
Okay, now it's going. Okay, going over this little bridge. Oh yeah, tiny planet on the bridge, on the bridge.
Okay, let's go home now.
Okay, here we go. Here we go, into the parking lot. Oh, we're supposed to go here, yeah. Here we go. Yeah.
Coming into the parking lot now. Now let's see if we can find our car.
Here, we're back at the car. There we go.